bro. This is my first time driving a fucking manual, bro.
All right, so can you push the clutch in all the way without having to like actually reach down?
Oh shit, there's 3 pedals. Okay. okay. So which one is the clutch?
We're good. No, that was good.
Yeah.
That was
Hey,
good.
I hear that. Y'all hear that?
That was good. That was good. We only had, I mean, stalling it a little bit, whatever, but
Yeah.
as long as we weren't in.
So which one is the clutch? Shit.
We're gonna fucking die, dude. The one on the far left.
Far left. Okay, so I have to use both feet. Okay.
Yeah, but in your position, with my feet are longer, can you push it all the way down? It's gonna reach an end stop.
Yeah.
Do you feel comfortable, like maneuvering the wheel and having to hit it all the way down, or do you gotta move it forward? It's gonna be on the far right side. Just good.
Oh shit.
Yeah, we're at an angle. There you go.
Alright. Oh yeah.
That's good for you to move around and do everything. All right, so
I think so.
clutch in.
Okay.
All right, but now it's in gear, right?
What gear is it in?
Just slide it forward. Now now you're in another gear. So put it in the middle and wiggle it. Like fucking there, you're in neutral. It's gonna tell you here. So over to the left.
Over to the left.
And up. That's 1.
Okay.
And then keep it on the left and go back. That's 2.
Okay.
Come up in the middle. Back in the middle and go up straight. That's 3, 4, and all the way to the right. That's 5.
Alright, bro. I'm nervous.
All right, so right now have it in neutral. All right, so when you're in neutral, the car can roll.
All right.
All right, so you got e-brake up. So
Okay.
we're here. Clutch in. The key's a little fucked up. These are weird. So
okay.
Try and turn it on.
I don't gotta do this
nah,
shit.
That's good. There you go. All right, so now foot on the brake. And
oh shit. Okay.
and then
clutch, brake. Okay, so these are the same. It's just a clutch.
Yeah, I yanked it like a motherfucker. Now you don't gotta do nothing because we're in neutral, so the car rolls to its own weight.
All right. Hey yo.
My fucking seatbelt on.
Yeah.
I don't got insurance, bro.
All right, let go of the brake.
Yeah, and then hit the brake. Make it stop, so that way you can feel the weight of the car. You get me? All right. So now start letting out.
Everybody should move the Suburban too, bro. The top.
You're good. Yeah. Out of the way.
Okay, so now
hit the brake.
Now hit the brake.
Your foot is still on the clutch, right?
Yeah.
All right.
So in order to change gears, you have to hit the clutch?
Every time.
Okay. So then I go to 1?
Go to 1. There you go. Now.
Then I can let go of the clutch? Oh shit.
You gotta be slow.
Okay.
So clutch in.
Oh, clutch in?
Yep. Because the clutch has to be in to start the car.
Okay.
You're in gear, so put it in neutral. Because you gotta remember, if you're in gear and you start it, the engine and the trans are connected, so that you're gonna move the whole fucking car. Start it.
Restart it?
It's off. You killed it. The engine's off.
Oh shit.
You stalled it. Yeah. Just start it regularly.
Oh fuck, bro. Alright, so I want to go first gear.
Yeah.
Let go slowly, you said?
Slowly, and you'll feel it engage. Then you can let go all the way. You killed it again.
Oh my fuck. So neutral.
Clutch.
Maybe I need to get out. Oh shit. Alright, clutch. 1, because I turned it back on.
Turn the engine on again, because it died. There you go. Now, what you can do, you're on the brake right now, right?
Yeah.
So let off the brake. Let the car roll forward a little bit. And then slowly start to let out the clutch.
Slowly.
There you go. And let off all the way. There. Now don't give it any gas. Right now the motor's moving under its own power. Okay? So now you can give it a little bit of gas.
Wait, so the brake still works like normal, right? Oh,
yeah,
shit.
yeah.
Shit.
No, you're good. Keep going. If you're ever in doubt and you're worried, clutch in, neutral, and then press the brakes as normal.
Okay.
So
Wait, so will the brakes work regardless though?
Yeah, but you gotta remember, you're in gear, so when you come to a stop, you'll kill the engine again. So right now, clutch in,
Clutch in.
and then hit the brake, and come to a stop. That's how you do it.
Alright, bro. This is like rocket science, right? I ain't
No,
gonna lie, bro.
It's easy. It's easy.
Okay, so now I gotta let it off slowly again.
So yeah. So right now we're at a little bit of an incline.
Put my emergencies on, bro. It's a student driving, bro. Oh fuck. Oh fuck me.
You were on the brake.
Yeah. Okay, so let off brake.
Let off the brake. Let it roll.
Oh my fuck. Yo. Alright, so I gotta press both again.
There you go. So now let off the brake completely, and then let off the clutch slow.
So how do people go fast when driving? Like,
I'll show you. You gotta feel it. You know. Remember the first time you used the impact, and then you're like, how the fuck do people just be hitting shit all the time? And then you just get used to it, right? All right. So the dumb way to know when to shift, right? The car tells you when to shift. So the speedo, it's like talking to like fucking kids, right?
yeah.
When the speedo reaches number 2, you go to number 2.
So right now, would I do it?
Right.
Since I'm over?
Yeah. So clutch in. Go to second, and then let off the clutch.
Slowly or fast?
There you go.
Okay.
Now we're gaining speed.
Okay. And what if I want to slow down? Then what do I do?
Slow down. Just hit the brakes.
No, but like, what if I want to drive slower? So let's say I'm going 70 miles per hour, and then I want to go slower.
Just let off the throttle.
Oh, okay, that's it.
Yeah, I mean,
I don't have to switch gears.
no. Your RPMs, where they're at, you don't want them to go too low. So right now at 2 grand, we're chilling.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you always gotta be looking at the speedo.
The speedo on your RPM, yeah. So usually in neighborhoods, first, second gear, that's kind of where you want to be at. Yeah, the AC needs to charge.
Right here. Oh, gosh, I've been listening.
That's how you know you need to take it out of gear.
Wait, what do you mean? Put it on neutral? Alright, let me just listen.
No, you're good. Just drive around. You're good. Second gear is fine. We haven't got to the advanced part yet.
Yo, I could only imagine driving in the fucking traffic in this.
It's easy.
Easy, man. I'm
Easy.
scared.
And you can save gas.
Yeah.
In a manual car too.
Oh shit.
Pause, because I'll show you right now. At the street right here, take it left.
I want to stay at about 2,000.
Yeah, that's the cruising in the neighborhood, yeah.
Because I feel it,
Oh shit, that's fine, we'll turn around. We've been next street.
why do I feel it kind of jump though?
Because that's you engaging it again.
Oh. So I press the brake here?
No, you're good. We can keep rolling. See, now your RPMs are going low.
Yeah.
So now you would want to see if you come to the stop sign.
Alright.
Clutch in, take it out of gear. There you go. Come to the stop. There you go.
Shit, I got this.
All right. So now people will go fast, right? I'll do this for you. I'll do this right here. Actually, no, you do it. Have your thumb on it, and just hold it up. That way it doesn't stay in place. All right. Let off the brake. So we're not moving, right?
Yeah.
All right. So put it in first gear.
With this hand?
Yeah. Or all right, first gear, right?
Yeah.
You need to learn the clutch sweet spot,
Okay.
right? So the engine's rotating, doing this thing, right?
Yeah.
When you just ram the clutch shut.
Oh, this is the clutch for the tram.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Right? When you just ram it shut, that's what kills the engine. Because the tires ain't moving, right? But learn your sweet spot. So right now you're chilling at like 900 RPM, right?
Yeah.
Slowly let off the clutch, and you'll see the RPM start to dip. You'll feel the engine low. There, right there. Let it, no, put it up.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck.
Turn it back on. You're good.
Okay.
So hold the button up, right?
Okay.
So when you feel that sweet spot, just push the clutch back in.
And what do I do with this end?
Leave it alone right now. You're just feeling at what the pedal travel is the sweet spot. There it is. So that's when it engages, right? You kind of feel that?
Yeah.
So when people do that, go fast, they'll let off a bit, get to that sweet spot, and they'll give it a little bit of gas at the same time. So that's why you hear some cars when they drive, they're like,
Alright, we better find out.
alright, break down. Give it a little bit of gas.
Oh shit.
We're on the advanced part now because we're rolling back.
So if I let go of the clutch,
Yeah,
get automatic.
Yeah, you killed it.
I think I need to fucking figure out where my spot's at.
Yeah, there you go. So, clutch in, start it.
Ready to go on one.
Now, give the RPMs up a little bit, bring it up to like 1500. You're good now. And then let off the clutch slow. Go. Just go. Alright, shift.
Oh fuck, I didn't do the clutch.
You're in neutral right now? Go left.
Hey, yo, fuck. What's going on? Good.
Alright, hold on. Clutch in. Put in second. And then let off the clutch slowly. Then give it gas.
Hey. I don't understand why it's so hard for me, right?
It's everybody.
Yeah?
Everybody. My first time driving stick was a fucking semi-truck. So, like, you know how we were doing it?
Yeah.
Bro, we were in the whole fucking truck doing
Oh,
it.
shit. They do all that torque. But... So, is there a range that you kind of want to use? Like 2, 3, 4, 5?
You'll feel it when you get when you get the car out of its own way.
Yeah.
Usually, when you're like to get out of here, you can shift it up to like $3 grand, $4 grand, whatever.
Wait, so the 3, the 4, and 5 is
The gears.
okay. The gears. So that has nothing to do with the revenue.
No, that's just what gear you're in. See how it was kind of like chugging going up the hill?
Yeah.
So if you're going like uphill neighborhoods, you just have it in first gear.
Yeah.
Because it's a first gear will do like 20 miles an hour, second gear will do like 35 or whatever.
Oh, okay. That's what I was asking.
Yeah, this won't tell you what it is, but yeah, highway you'll use fifth gear.
So to brake,
So brakes,
that's it.
and then put it in neutral.
But I had to press the clutch.
Yeah. Anytime to take it out, you're gonna kill the motor right now.
Oh fuck.
Neutral. Start this.
I'm an idiot.
But now this is good because we're already downhill, right? So put it in first gear. Let off the brake. There you go. Let the car move, and then I slowly let off the clutch, and we'll go back that way. And then give it gas.
Okay. Let me see if I remember. Okay, to change gears, you have to press the clutch
Every time.
So like, let's say right now I'm at 3,000. That would be the perfect time.
Yeah, the transition takes time because you know your RPMs come down, and everyone's like, "How do you know when to let go?" Like, you just have to feel it. It's like, how do you know when a bolt's tight in the subframe? You feel it, right?
Yeah.
But then to a kid, he's like, "I don't know, it keeps turning," you know.
Let's say I want to go
The third. Oh,
Oh no.
no, don't do it fast, bro.
Oh, okay.
So clutch in right now, and go second. There you go.
Maybe I needed more hope with less cars to practice that. Bro.
No, this is the perfect way to practice.
Oh no.
Right? Because what you don't want to do is missing the shift. And if you're in fourth gear, you don't want to go fourth to first.
Yeah. Okay.
Because then you have the potential to like blow your engine.
Okay, so if you go down too fast, you can blow it.
Yeah.
And same with the.
No, up is fine.
Blow up that.
But you kind of like when you understand mechanically what's happening,
Yeah.
it'll make sense.
I just need to see it happen, bro. That's the thing.
So first gear
Uh-huh.
takes you to 30 miles an hour, right?
Yeah.
If you were to like redline it, okay? So let's say you're doing 7,000 first gear. You shift, you're racing, right?
Yeah.
You go to second, right?
Yeah.
Now you're doing like 60 or 45 or whatever it is, second, right?
Yeah.
Let's say you fuck up and you go to first. Now you're doing 45 at first. So imagine your RPMs in first gear, what they'd have to be if you're doing 45 miles an hour in first gear. They'd be like at 12,000.
Oh, yeah.
You'd over rev the engine.
Yeah.
Now keep going straight, 'cause it's that roundabout.
Oh, I wanted to practice.
Okay, yeah. I would have practiced the top of that.
Yeah. It's like, you did that too. In here.
Clutch in. Take it out of gear. Stop. Perfect. There's the car. Easy. Alright, now, remember, yep, clutch in, put in first gear. Slowly, give it a little bit of gas, just a little bit. And then slowly let up. Ooh, that was good. That was good.
Hey,
That was good. That was good.
Hey, bro, got me excited. I fucked up. I fucked up. Okay. So that's it.
There you go.
Oh shit.
The transitions take time. That's why I get this figured out first.
Yeah.
Because then when you go on the highway, or you go on the road, oh, bro, you're. When I got my Volkswagen, I did this at 2 in the morning.
Yeah.
The night before.
Oh
Then
shit.
the next morning, I had to go back to ETI.
Ooh.
So I drove 2.5 hours back to ETI.
Yeah. Bro, I actually left when we were doing what class? I forgot what fucking class. But it's the class where you gotta roll the manual Miata onto the fucking alignment rack. And everybody kept fucking up, bro. And I was like, bro, I don't want to do that. But I left for other reasons because Rivian fucking finally hired me, right? But I fucking skipped that out, bro. Skipped that out. It was a little exciting.
Oh, that's where that truck stays at. I'll steal your shit.
Take that shit.
Take his wheels, everything. Don't flip that.
Don't clip that. Yeah, don't clip that.
So now, clutch in, neutral, and then let the car coast. So if you got like a long downhill range, you can just let it go forever.
Oh shit. Oh, that's how you save gas. That's the way to save gas.
Yeah, like especially like you're in the mountains or something like that. Technically, you don't want to do it for like too long. There's like bearings and stuff but that's but yeah, so especially coming down the main road that's right here, like if you're coming up, if you're here and you're right as soon as you go over the hill, you can coast it forever.
Alright, I'm going uphill and putting it in park.
Oof.
Why you say that,
Don't hit my goal ball, bro.
Okay.
Touch in.
Look.
Right.
Hey! First attempt, how'd I do?
Yeah, actually, pretty good.
Pretty good?
Now yank that bitch. Yank it. All right, off the brake. All right, leave it running. We're good. No, that was good.
Yeah?
That was
Hey,
good.
I hear that? Y'all hear that?
That was good. We only had, I mean, stalling it a little bit, whatever, but
Yeah.
as long as we weren't in.